Let's talk about shapes with Janome's Artistic Digitizer. Today I'm going to focus on the ellipse tool, which is a circle. As you're dragging it, you can see the grid lines, which are 1 by 1 squares, so you can kind of estimate how big you want your circle. Once you have your circle made, you can actually click on it and tell it an exact size if you want an exact size. If you drag it sideways, it will be more of an ellipse and not a perfect circle. But again, if you have specific measurements that you want your circle to be, you can definitely make that happen. Here you can see those at the top. If you decide that you don't want your circles, you just click and hit delete. Let's talk about what you can actually do with your circles. Here I have one circle. I'm going to copy and paste it and connect it to the side. And then I'm going to go back to my rectangle tool and make a rectangle. And then when I click on it here, I can rotate it. I think you see where I'm going with this one. I'm going to line up my square. I'm going to rotate it to 45 degrees, and then I'm going to line up the points, and I'm going to adjust the nodes. I'm doing this because it's a little bit easier than using freehand. So the nodes, edit nodes button is going to allow me to drag those corners. Then I am going to highlight everything, go to shaping and weld. I'm going to weld those pieces together. Then back to edit nodes. I'm going to clean up these points here so that they look nice and crisp. You can reshape and resize, and you can make this a patch if you want. And there I have a really easy heart using Janome's Artistic Digitizing software.